dinner tonight. I'm already dressed up. Right now, I'm trying to do my hair. The glue that I'm using is this one. I bought it a long time ago. My hair is very curly, and sometimes these, what do you call them? Sometimes like the edge controls don't hold it. So this is the one that I found does the job for me. I just simply draw a C, A, C, A, C. We're trying out a new restaurant and I'm excited for it. Alicious is taking his shower now while I do my makeup and stuff. Okay, it's a bit loud outside, but I'll show you how I do my lashes. I did them once. So this will be my second time doing my own lashes at home. It's cluster lashes that I got from Shein. Don't worry about the white in this glue. I think it'll go away when it dries. So even when it looks like this now, when it's all dried up, you won't even see it. And those are my edges. Well, I'm gonna have my hair down, so probably won't even get to see all this hard work. Next step is my lashes. This is how they look now. Okay, you can't see them. So for my lashes, I have this kit from Shein. Comes with a brush. I don't know what this side is for, but it's like a little fine brush, and then this side which helps you brush out the lashes like so. The remover for when you want to remove the lashes with the tweezers. This is what I use to do the application. And then we have the 2-in-1. It's like the bond and the sealer in here. In this box you have the lashes. As you can see, I've used some on the side for my first try. You see what I was talking about the glue, it dries out clear, so that's what I like. But yeah, I'm going to use 14, 13, 12 and 10. Those are the ones that I'm going to use to do my lashes. Yeah, fluff out my natural lashes. I'm gonna do this for both sides. Woo! I watched TikTok actually on how to apply these. So the bond looks like that. I think it's black, and you simply just apply it like a mascara. You just make sure that the mascara does not touch your inner eye. Well, the bond. Lift and apply. And then you go in with the lashes. I pick them up like that. Okay, like that. And then I hold it like so. Oh, this gets a bit tricky. Oh wow. I'm going in with my second one. I'm putting them like close to each other as possible. Squeeze. And then I'll take the sealing side of the bond. Ooh. And I'll just bond it out like that. And that's it for the first eye. like once you put the bond, it can become waterproof. We are actually late for the date, so I'm going to have to do the rest of my makeup in the car. But that's how I do my lashes. I wrote this.
The entrance to the hotel via the mall. There is also a signage board that shows where the entrance is via the mall.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Goodbye.
There always the signage. You want to see the signage? This is the last circle. Yes.
But your parking is gonna cost us. Did you see they gave us Valpre?
Was it Valpre? I like it.
I'm having mushroom.
Smells like what do you call it? Working. A prawn.
We got blankets. Ah,
I've never seen these at home.
they're there.
Yep.
The drinks are made. The drinks are many.
Cheers. Woo! I've always wanted this.
That is not your gift. Happy anniversary, my love. I hope that you love your gift.
Very big. Yeah, they made sure. They made sure. They made sure. Oh, I think I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a wallet.
Yay!
Yay! Fresh leather. Oh, the compartments. We have 1, 2, 3. You have this, you have these, and you have these. Perfect. Yes. Straight in my pocket. You.
Nominations Italy.
Doesn't have a name.
Made in China.
The box, not the thing.
It's a bracelet with a giraffe. This is nice. Okay. I like it. Thank you.
You are welcome.
When someone put it on. Thank you.